everyone, Coach Megan here with Purdue Fitness Virtual Training. Just want to let you know about a new class offering. We're going to be offering a rebounding class online. I have 2 trampolines here at home that I highly recommend. This first one, A Sport Plus Trampoline, is $140 on Amazon. I've had it since 2017, very durable trampoline. This one here is a Raby trampoline I also got on Amazon, a little cheaper, less expensive, $90. The weight limit is a little more on this one. It is 335 pounds, this one 286 pounds. I recommend a trampoline that looks something like this with the hexagonal shape, also with handlebars that come on and off. The Raby one also collapses, so it's a little nicer in my opinion. This one still works just as well. So just wanted to give you a little input on what kind of trampoline to buy for this class. Please like, share this post. Please comment below on what times you would like to see this class. Thank you and have a great day.